Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And jumping right into the video, I just want to go ahead and just put out this disclaimer. I am recording on my new camera, so just bear with me if you see anything just weird looking. I'm just trying to get used to the settings and everything. So we're just going to be cleaning up the kitchen and also the refrigerator.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So as I'm cleaning the refrigerator, I do not know what this sticky stuff is. I'm guessing it was something that was wasted that never got up, and it is very sticky, so it was kind of hard to get it up. The Clorox spray really wasn't doing anything, to be honest.
Time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal.
So what I did was I just sprayed the Clorox spray on the Scrub Daddy. If you do not have a Scrub Daddy or a Scrub Mommy, I really consider getting those because they are very great to use when doing dishes, scrubbing up something. Like, it's just the best to use. I really highly consider it.
Posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in.
Alrighty guys, so I just wanted to remind you how it looked before, and let's jump right into the after and just tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below.
Only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be.
So I took everything out of the fridge because I did want to go ahead with my Clorox Interior spray and clean everything that was sticky previously, so I can go ahead and get everything nice and clean. So I always like to give an introduction to my new subscribers. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. On this channel you have found a lot of cleaning motivation, hauls, just everything that has to do with organization. I am a mom of one to my daughter. She's going to be 3 in October. I plan on having her a birthday party. I will show you guys whatever I do for her birthday. I like to clean. I like to shop online, which is Shein and Amazon. I like to spend time with my family, and I'm just a low-key type of person. I'm very shy, just laid back. I just like to be in my own zone, you know, and I just want to start my channel to just show you guys and lift you guys of what I do around my home and how I do things, because I just wanted my channel to be very different from the rest. So we didn't have any cold waters in the fridge, so I just wanted to go ahead and stock that up. I preferably like Nestle Pure Life, but whenever I went to the grocery store, they didn't have that, so I just had to get any kind of water they had. Because like I said before, I prefer Nestle Pure Life. That's my favorite. I just feel like all the other water is just nasty to me. I know people say water is water, but if you're a water drinker, you'll know that flavor and that taste that, you know, it leaves in your mouth. Alrighty, so this is how the fridge look afterwards. I know you guys probably like, oh my god, her fridge is so empty. Literally the day after I got done cleaning the fridge, we went grocery shopping. So the day before I grocery shop, or the week before I grocery shop, I like to go ahead and just declutter everything, get everything nice and clean. So whenever I do put the new items in the fridge, everything will be organized and nice and clean and empty. So moving along to the pantry, I just want to go ahead and just throw all the boxes that was empty and stuff we wasn't eating, like cereal. We really don't eat cereal, so just want to throw it in the trash can and just take everything out of the boxes so everything could be nice and neat. And the pantry is very, very small, guys. I mean, they really shouldn't even built this because it's very small. It's just hard to work with. You can barely put anything on the shelf. So that's why I like to take everything out of the boxes, because, you know, it's so small in there.
Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet.
Felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big trips. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we can.
Alrighty guys, so I'm not going to keep on talking throughout the video. I'm going to let you continue watching the video so you can see exactly what I'm doing. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you'll know every time I upload a video. Please like and please comment. I am sharing and growing my channel. So if you can do the same for me, that'd be greatly appreciated because my channel is growing. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys sticking around and watching my videos and liking and commenting, because you are really doing a great thing to me. So if you have not done it already, please do so, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow, yeah. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment.
Hey guys, so quick moment, not that you guys care, but I am back in school, getting some things done. That computer is giving me some issues. It keeps saying a virus is found, but that is a spam. I cannot get it to go away, so I'm just restarting my other computer that I do not like to use because this one is touchscreen, but this one is not. But the real reason I came on here is to tell you guys that I got a new camera. So I just got my new camera from Best Buy. I picked up. I really like it. I know my nails. I really do need to get a fill in, but these are my real nails, so really don't care. So this is my new camera. Sit it down, turn it on, what you guys see. So it's gonna be a lot of more content. If you see any like blurriness or the lighting is like horrible, I'm still trying to get a hold of everything with this new camera and the settings and the adjustments. So yeah, if you guys can bear with me while I do this. It's not easy out here doing this homework and trying to do everything else, but yeah, just a quick real life moment I just wanted to share with you guys.